Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, I'm gonna say hi. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So this video, I'm gonna talk about a haul that I did and what I got at Ulta. Not just today, but other days. And yeah, and kind of like what I'm wearing. That's what I'm thinking about. Like I'm gonna do is what I'm wearing for of that day. And yeah, if you want to want me to do more of that, leave a comment down below. Yeah, here we go. So first off, I have a palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I like Anastasia Beverly Hills. Their matte lipsticks are amazing. I have a lot of those. But this is my first eyeshadow palette, and I love their packaging. And this is a NORVINA palette. So when you open it up, I'm going to take this protector off, and then I'm going to take the eyeshadow brush out. So this is what it looks like. So they have Dreamer, Summer, Wild Child, Rose Gold, Celestial, Dazzling, Drama, Base, Soul, Incense, Love, Volatile, Eccentric, and Passion. So the top row is metallic, like glittery, and then the bottom is all matte. Nothing too. But after a glance, I like Celestial, Soul, Love, Passion. I like Drama and Wild Child. So I'm going to do a swatch and see how I like all of them. So I'm going to rub on all 4 of these. So here are these. That's Wild Child. This is Rose Gold, which I love. I forgot to mention that, but that's what I love. And I forgot a makeup remover to do my hands. So next we're going to do Celestial, Dazzling, and Drama. So that, and that. So there's the metallics. That's Celestial, and that's Drama, and that's Rose Gold. And Wild Child. I think those are my 4 favorite out of the group. What do you guys think? And they are pigmented. I feel like they're I think they're buttery to go to swatch. And I'm going to dip into Base, Soul, Incense, and Love. So that's Love, that's Soul, which are amazing. If you want a tutorial on this, just let me know. I'll gladly do it. And then I'll do Volatile, Eccentric, Passion, so there's that. I love Passion because it has that burgundy feel to it. I feel like these will look good together, and a little bit of this with it. Base, I feel like you're only going to use it for a base of the island, but I feel like that's so much of a unique name that makeup artists use. Like all of them were good names, and all of a sudden, base. I'm sorry, Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I feel like just that one is like too much of a normal name to call it, not a unique name. But what do you guys think? These are all of it. Swatches. If you want me to review any of these, just let me know. Not review it, but makeup tutorial. Let me know. I'll gladly do that. And that's in NORVINA. And then now we're going to the other makeup that I got. Next one is going to be the mascara. This is from Lancome Monster Big. And this is the spoolie, the wand on there. And I like how it clicks into place. So there's that. And then today I got the Lo-Fi by Urban Decay. And it's called Echo. And this is what it looks like. And then I think this will go great on my lips because my lips are kind of like this dark, so it will make it more noticeable. So I like that. And then next we have the Too Faced Fruity Cocktail Blush Duo. And this is the package by Cherry Bomb. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So I like the rose gold. Not the rose, but it's like a gold. It has like gold flecks in there. And then here's the one that looks kind of like my lip color a little bit. So here's what those two look like right there. So there's that. Oh, sorry. And then it's magnet, which is cool. And then next we have the one that went with the Urban Decay lip mousse was the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and it came in this little package. And then next I have this little mini of the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. And it smells really minty. I have 2 of them already. It doesn't seem like nothing's there. Oh no, that's why they called it naked, because it doesn't seem like nothing's there. But the smell of it smells like peppermint or spearmint, one of those. That smells like toothpaste to me. I don't know if anything is like that with you guys, but it smells like toothpaste. So the Urban Decay, it says that the Urban Decay Lo-Fi Lip Mousse, it's supposed to achieve that effortless cool girl pout. So I feel like it's a modern matte finish, weightless, waterproof, and I would like to have something that's more matte and more kind of look like my lip color, so that I can look more natural. And let me put the setting spray on. I love this. My all-time favorite. The first setting spray that I owned was the Urban Decay setting spray. It was the white and the purple package. But they started coming out with cool new packaging for their setting sprays, which is awesome. If you want me to do any makeup tutorials on any of the products that you've seen, let me know, and I'll gladly do it. Last but not least, the one that I got from the haul was the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. These are my favorite. And I got the twins, 2 of them, because it said get one and then get the other one 40% off. So I got it, and I used the $3.50 coupon. So it was a deal. And then what I had on today was the Fur Baby Mama, because I got a dog named Duke. And then my shorts, which was cool. I had those for a while. So yeah, those are my outfit for the day. This is my makeup for the day as well. I did the Shaaanxo palette by BH Cosmetics. And then my lipstick was from Too Faced, the lip injection. And then I got highlighter from Wet n Wild, Ulta Beauty, Tiger Lily blush. And then my eyebrows I did with the Ulta Beauty, the gel. And then the mascara was from the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, which is kind of like toothpaste, but a little bit more sensual. Not more like sexy, but more toned down, I think. So hopefully you like this. Video that I did. If you're new, hi, my name is Aaliyah, also known as Rock On Dancer. And give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.